Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set dark mode in the Vivino app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we tap on settings, then we scroll down, and here under settings we find dark mode, and it is set the same as device. We just tap on this, and here we can select which setting we would like to have. It's either same as device, so the app is going to use the theme that our phone uses, always in light mode, which means that it's going to be always in light mode, or another option that we have is always in dark mode, which we can select, which speaks for itself. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.